So in this tutorial we're using 4 colors for the purpose of the spiral. Using 4 colors, I'm using the green, the turquoise, gray and dark blue. So I'll start with the light blue one, the turquoise, and I'll make a slip knot or a magic loop, and I'm gonna chain, and I'm gonna chain 2. I will make a single crochet in the second chain from the hook, followed with a half double crochet and 2 double crochet. If you haven't seen the video with the spiral using 2 colors, I'll put it in the description box for you to check. Now I'll just loosen my thread and I'll insert the next color, and I'll do exactly the same. I will make a magic loop, and then I'll insert my new color inside the circle where I worked my first stitches, and I'll do the same: 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet and 2 double crochet. And I'll be doing the same with the next 2 colors. So basically with each color I will make a magic loop, I will insert my color and secure it, make 1 single crochet, 1 half double and 2 double crochet with all 4 colors. Now I'm done with the last color, which is the dark blue. I'll come back to the turquoise, and then I'll start working on top of the next color. So now what I'm gonna do is insert my hook in the loop from the blue, and then I'll make 2 double crochet in the stitches which is the gray color. So in the first stitch, like you see now, I'll make 2 double crochet and 2 double crochet in every stitch until the end of the gray color. Now again I'll loosen my thread and I will go to the gray and I'll do the same. Now it's on top of the green color. Using the gray, I will make 2 double crochet in each stitch. So basically, to increase now the spiral and make it more round, you're gonna make 2 double crochet in every stitches with each color, like you see now. Just follow slowly step by step and you'll see it's very easy to achieve. It's nothing complicated at all. The only complication is having 4 different yarns attached together and trying to separate them while you're working so they don't tangle together. Otherwise, the pattern is very easy. So you'll keep increasing your spiral circle that way until you obtain the width or length you want of your project. Basically, with each color, you'll keep increasing 2 double crochet each. And this is how we make spiral with 4 colors. I hope the tutorial was enjoyable and easy to follow. Let me know what you think. And until next time, take care. Bye-bye.